The many questions.
So many questions across the country right now,
yes.
Especially on the role of democracy. You have seen, on democracy, you've seen what the opposition is saying about lack of democracy, a decision that will also be coming to your house soon, and so many other things that
yes.
are in question. What would you say about where we are as a country today?
At 60, we certainly have come of age. Since independence, we have had regular elections at the level of democracy. With challenges, of course, but we have managed to successfully have now the 5th president. That is a feather in our democratic cap that we should be proud of. What we should focus on is now at 60, what social transformation do we give to our country? How do we get rid of abject poverty in our country, provide clean water, issues that we have been talking about for the last 60 years. I think now it's time to take a new trajectory, reduce unnecessary and unhelpful arguments in our politics, and focus on how to uplift the lives of our people. That is what this day should signify. Our forefathers fought for independence. They brought independence. We should not betray them by derailing the cause for which they fought. Thank you.
Yet at 60
SMSEs.
Yes.
Exactly. And what do you have to say about that? Because they're still complaining.
The world is now going smart economy, and Kenya should not be left behind. So we'll do everything we can to move in that direction.
At 60 years, Mr. Speaker,
yes.
The House you're leading, Parliament, working for the executive, being in bed with the executive. Parliament is still said not to be...
The House is independent of the executive. The House consists of political players. So you have to mix the two. The political players have caucuses outside the House, and they come to the House and vote as individuals.